Hey everybody, I'm Stacy Lyn. Today I am making avocado dressing. It's one of my favorite things because it goes with just about everything. Today I'm going to be having a little salad with a little chicken with the avocado dressing drizzled over the top of that. But at other times I just sit around eating celery or carrots or all kinds of vegetables and just dipping into the avocado dressing. It is divine. So let's get started. The first thing that goes in are the avocados. So I have 2 avocados and I've got 2 right here ready to go in. And I'm going to show you, if you don't know how, but you probably do, how to pit the avocado and to get this all into the bowl. So you'll just go around lengthwise of the avocado here and just go all the way around it and then open it right up like that and then get out the pit, easy as pie, and go around the edges of the avocado with a spoon. And you can score it, which makes it easier, but for time I'm just going to go ahead and just put it straight in here. But you could score it into little squares, and you can actually have it on a salad like that if you're not making this dressing. So I've got that. I've got a tablespoon of lime juice, 2 tablespoons of parsley, 1 tablespoon of red onion. And you could put red pepper flakes in here if you want to, or cayenne if you like it a little spicy, but I'm not going to do that today. And 1 clove of garlic, about 1/4 cup of water. I'm going to add a little bit more because I'm using it as a dressing today and not as a dip. So I'm going to go ahead and add about 1/2 cup of water, and then Greek yogurt. So here we go. That is going to be so good, and it's going to add that little bit of tang along with the lime juice. That's just going to make it so good. So put the top on that. Oop, I forgot my pinch of salt. So I'm going to add a little pinch of salt, maybe 2 pinches, and you can always salt it afterwards also if it's not salty enough for your taste. All right, here we go. So I'm going to just hit the button. Delicious. So good already. And I think we are done. So that is how fast you can make this dressing. All right, so now what I'm going to do is pour it into my jar, my mason jar here. All right, and then I can store it in the refrigerator for up to a week or so and use the rest that's in here for my salad and for my dip for tonight. So I've grilled some chicken here, and I've already got a salad made. So I'm just going to get a piece of this chicken, put it in my plate, come over here, get a little bit of this avocado dressing and drizzle over the top of my chicken, drizzle over the top of my salad, and get a really big bite. I can't wait. I like a lot of avocado dressing, and it's super healthy for you. It's got a lot of omega fatty 3 acids. I think I said omega, but I meant omega. Okay, so I'm just gonna cut a piece of that chicken off and get a whole lot of this avocado dressing on here. Let's see how this tastes. It's perfect. Light, avocado-y, delicious, the parsley, lime juice, everything comes together. So get this recipe at stacylynharris.com, and don't forget to subscribe. I also have this lime marinated chicken that goes with this perfectly well, and my salad that you're going to love. It's a power salad. Talk to you later.